Now let's talk about builds. These used to be called element transitions in Pro 6, but basically you can use the build ability to transition different parts of a slide at the same or different times using different transitions if you wanted to. So just for this example, I'm going to have this slide here, and we've got this text box, we've got this box here, which is this shape element. There, this shape element. And let me add another shape just for giggles. Let's say that I want to use a star. I don't know why I'd want to use a star. Let's make it maybe a 6-pointed star, which is the Star of David. So there we go. Let's maybe move that over here. So for some reason I want to use that star, and I want that to show up later than the box and later than the lyrics here. So I go into build, and having chosen this lyric box, first I need to choose a transition. So let's do the amoeba transition. No real reason, I just decided to. Now I can change some of the parameters on this. I can change the scale of it. I can change the duration, how long it takes to come in and do it like that. Under delivery, if I was using bulleted lists or a fill in the blank, I would want to choose one of those, but this is a song lyric, so I'm going to leave that as none. Build order, I've only got the first one selected, so I'm going to leave that right now. And when do I want it to come in? Let's say after the transition, but let's also say that there's a delay of maybe 0.2 of a second. Now let's repeat that for this box here. And I can also select it over here. Go into, in fact, that's actually probably a little bit easier way to do it. Choose the transition. Once again, let's make this a color burn. I'm just going to make this really annoying and keep that as that orange color, and duration is 0.5 second. Let's do this after build 1, so after the lyrics come in, and let's make that maybe 0.5 second after the lyrics come in. And now let's choose the star, and let's choose a built-in transition of a dispersion blur rather. So do that, and let's do that just on click. Now for the build out, again I've got the star chosen, so build out, I don't have to do anything. When I go to the next slide it'll just disappear, but instead I'm going to do a crosshatch just because I'm doing this really annoyingly. Then I'm going to do the box, which is this guy here, maybe door, and I want this with build, no, after build 4, maybe 0.6 of a second, and then finally we're going to do the lyrics and have that come out tastefully with the dissolve. And after build 5, 0.2 of a second. So now if we go back into show and I click on it, we'll be able to see a little bit more like what it looks like. So click on something else, then back on it. You saw that come in, and then click, and there that comes in. Now to make it go away, I click on it again, Start David goes away, that. So that is how to use element transitions in ProPresenter 7, or actually I guess they're called builds now.